first of all, let me just start this conversation by asking, what's the importance of me, or as a Kenyan, to file his tax return? From your own point of perspective, you know, the way you see it, why?
For me, filing of returns is the tax laws, of course, require every taxpayer to file a return.
Yes.
A return for the specific source of income you're earning. So there are different types of returns for the different obligations. And from the filing of the return, it's a clear communication to KRA of the incomes you're earning, whether it's business, whether it's employment. So that filing of return becomes a very clear communication that I'm only having employment income, or if you're filing for business income or for rental, those you communicate directly to KRA through filing a return on sources of income. Second, apart from complying with the tax laws and on the requirement to file a return, it is important again to file a return, because it's through filing a return that if in case you're in a refund position, that the refund position can only come through filing of a return.
So the KRA will have your records?
Yes. We'll have your records that you had this, maybe you paid this much of taxes, or this much of taxes were withheld from you or deducted from you, and maybe you are liable to pay this much, and if whatever you are liable to pay is less than what was deducted or paid in advance on your behalf, then of course you are liable for a refund. So it's only through filing of a return that you can be able to do that. Again, filing of return is the one which filing of return allows the taxpayer to know if they're in a payable position, meaning they owe KRA some money, and maybe they need to settle it again, because at some point, depending on the sources of income you have, we may be required to still pay some taxes after the end of the tax period which you are filing for. That's very clear again. And again, on the other side of different services in the economy requires you to have a tax compliance certificate. So that compliance journey, filing of a return again, and the subsequent payment of the respective taxes allows you to be able to be issued with a tax compliance certificate, which can allow you get a job in different, especially government-related jobs and other tenders and all other services where a tax compliance certificate is